we had went to a couple showrooms in the Miami Design District. So we went to Circa Lighting. We went to Cosentino, Holly Hunt, Natuzzi, Italia, and then the Shade Store. That was the only one we didn't get to go to. Natuzzi, Italia. But we went there.
But it's good.
Yeah.
It was good. We really like all the furniture. And what is it? Like, can we...
The showroom?
Showroom?
Yeah.
Was so cohesive?
It was.
Yeah, cohesive.
Everything like went together. It was very natural colors.
Yeah.
Calming colors.
I think it's giving modern organic.
Yes, it was.
My favorite was the last one.
Holly Hunt. Holly Hunt was the biggest.
Yeah.
They had fabrics, furniture,
even lighting.
Lighting. Yeah, they had a mix of everything. Circa Lighting was also beautiful. They had literally chandeliers all over the place.
And whenever we see like I use that in my project.
Yeah, we were able to spot out what we used in past projects, and then I was able to spot out what we used in my firm. So that was really cool.
Cosentino,
yeah. That's the stone one. Okay, I remember now.
That one was a small, but
yeah, it was small.
It was good.
It was cool. They had like an interactive thing. I think people were taking the stone, putting it there, and then you can see like a room designed in that stone. That was super cool. I like that because it's interactive and it's easier for the client to see. You know what I mean? Because sometimes they can't visualize it. Yeah. But then when you show them a rendering or something, they're like, "Oh my god, it's beautiful." Yeah. Like, do it right now.
I'll pay you whatever.
They can't. But that's us.
Yeah, that's
bridging
us.
the gap.
Yeah.
You know. So
we are here for you.
Yeah.